Hello guys, welcome to BDV. In this video, we're gonna perform 3 points. Point 1. Canton Fair registration. Point 2. Applying for buyer badge. Point 3. Applying for invitation letter. So guys, let's start this video. Now guys, first of all, open the Chrome browser and search Canton Fair 2025. Now tap on the first link which appear on the search result as a International Pavilion China Import Export. Now you will be redirected to the homepage of Canton Fair website. Now make sure your website is in English language. If not, then you can select the English language from the translate button at the top right corner of the website. Now there are two options. Register and login. If you have not registered before and it's your first time you're going to Canton Fair, then you have to select register button. And if you have already registered, then you have to select login. I'm selecting register button. Yeah. Now you see 4 options. Overseas buyer, purchasing agent, domestic buyer and suppliers. Now here only one option is useful to us, that is a overseas buyer. Overseas buyer means people from another country going to China to buy as a buyer. That means overseas buyer. So we will select overseas buyer options. Now once you tap on overseas buyer button, it will be redirected to overseas buyer registration page. Now on overseas buyer registration page, they will ask you for the email ID and password. Now you have to register yourself with the email ID and password. So for now I'm using my channel email ID for a reference. I'm choosing my own password, so I selected choose your own. Let's fast forward this step. Now as you can see, I have 2 options. I have a buyer badge, I don't have a buyer badge. So let me clear you about these 2 options. In case if you have visited Canton Fair in past, then you must be having a buyer badge. Then you have to select I have a buyer badge options. Now for this video is for the people who are going to Canton Fair for the first time. So you have to select I don't have a buyer badge. Okay, so I'm proceeding with I don't have a buyer badge option. And there you have to provide some basic information like name, company name, your nationality and sourcing intent. So here I'm providing a demo name like my channel name BVV Business or Vlogs. You can provide your company name. Now what is a sourcing intent? Like they want to know for what purpose you are coming to China, like for which particular sector or which particular industry you are looking forward to do business with China. So it's not mandatory that you have to select the particular only one thing, like you can select a multiple options also here. So I'll select any random options. Textile, raw materials, carpets, household electrical vehicles and type on a confirm button. Now I selected a checkbox. I have read and agree to the user service agreement and tap on a register. Then solve this puzzle by sliding it. Yeah. Now you see a pop-up in a Chinese language. So it's very confusing. For now, cancel it and change the website into English language. Now the pop-up will appear in English language. Your email is not verified. Tap on a verify now button. Now you will see your registered email ID and a button which says get verification email. So tap on a get verification email. Now the system has sent you a link on your registered email ID which you have to open from your mail. As you can see, I received a mail from Canton Fair and it says please click the following link to activate your account. So I'll click the first link, that buy a Canton Fair. Now it opens in a new window. Now my verification is successful. So what I have to do, I have to go back to my main page and I have to refresh to see the changes. Yeah. Now as you can see, it says email is verified. Now next thing. Now go to left side and scroll for the my invitation letter. Now it says the company information is not perfect. Please improve the company information first. So I'll tap on a confirm button. First, you have to provide them your company information. And you can find your company information in my organization. Yeah. Now here, as you can see, there are two options, create company and a join company. Create company options means we can create a new company, and a join company means when someone has already added your company detail in their profile, like you and other guy share a same company and other guy already added your company detail in his profile, then you don't have to detail that company details in your profile as well. You can join the company by asking the company code from that guy. So here I'll show you. So in this video we'll create a new company. Okay. So I'll type on a create company button. Now my company name is already pre-filled. I have to select my company nature. So yeah, I'm selecting importer and distributor. You can select anything you like. And the category is already selected. Select the company address. And mention your detailed company address in the input field. Now here there is an optional information section. Now as from the name we understand this is an optional information, so it's not a mandatory. But here is the thing, if you don't fill this optional information section, your invitation letter functionality will not open. The company code is arrived now. The website is showing me a company code. Now if anyone want to join my company, so I'll give this company code to that other guy, and in his profile this my company information will display if he joined the company with my company code. That's the thing. Now scroll down, tap on a minute lecture. Now it says the company information is not perfect. Still it's showing the same pop-up. Went back to my company organization, and now I'll fill the optional thing with. Now I'm fast forwarding this video. You will fill your basic this information and then tap on a save button. Tap on my invitation letter. In case you wish it's not showing, again refresh the page. Yeah, it's loading the document. Yeah, now you can see my invitation letter function is now open. Scroll up at the right corner, you'll see apply for invitation letter. So when you tap on apply for invitation letter, it says please apply for overseas buyer badge before applying for an invitation letter. So before applying for invitation, we should have a buyer badge. So I'll tap on apply for buyer badge. So it will open the buyer badge application. To apply for a buyer badge, you need a passport. Now I have already applied for my buyer badge based on my passport, so I can't reuse the same passport again. So the system is not accepting. Now I have logged in into Canton Fair with my personal email ID. where I'll show you my buyer badge. Yeah. So here I tapped on a detail button and what detail it required. Now as you can see, in the ID document type, you have to select overseas passport. In foreign passport section, you have to upload an image of the front and back page of your passport, which I'll show you later. Now once you upload the passport, rest of the information like name on document ID, country, region, DOB, buyer name, ID document number, all these details will be automatically fetched by the system from your ID which you have uploaded. So you don't have to fill all these details. It will be automatically filled by the system after uploading this passport. And at last you have to upload your latest image for the badge photo. Now let's move to the My Invitation Letter. Now once you're done with the buyer badge, you can apply for My Invitation Letter. So from the left side, scroll down and select My Invitation Letter. As you can see, I have already created an invitation letter of Canton Fair April 2025. So I'm showing you my invitation letter. I tapped on a view application detail. So it will give you info about which information is required for invitation letter. Basically, invitation letter require only few information like buyer name, by passport number, by email, and your company name. Just only that. Leave the detail, and there will be option like view invitation letter. From there you can download your invitation letter. Now invitation letter looks like this. E-invitation for the 138th session of China Import-Export Fair exhibition time. First phase is on 15 to 19. Second phase is on 23 to 27. And third phase is on 31st to 4th November. And on invitation letter, your information will be mentioned, whichever you have provided while applying for invitation letter, like your passport number, your name, your company address, and country of region. And at the bottom right corner, there will be an invitation letter number. Now you can use this invitation letter to apply for Chinese M visa. Now if you guys are confused about how to apply for Chinese M visa, we have uploaded a video for that on our channel. You can see or tap on the I button on the top right corner of this video. Now I'll show you how buyer badge look like when you will collect from the Canton Fair complex. Okay, so here is the video of buyer badge.